Make a great choice today with the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.